Welcome back. Today, we're revealing one of the most powerful benefits of forming a US LLC, limited liability. This secret weapon can protect your personal assets and safeguard your future. But what exactly does it mean and why is it so important? Let's dive in. Limited liability is one of the main reasons entrepreneurs choose to form an LLC. But what does it really mean? Simply put, limited liability means that the owners of the LLC are not personally responsible for the company's debts or legal obligations. If the LLC faces a lawsuit or financial trouble, your personal assets, like your home, car, and savings, are protected. Here's how it works. When you form a US LLC, the company itself is considered a separate legal entity. This means the LLC is responsible for its own actions. Any legal or financial problems the business faces won't affect your personal finances, as long as you maintain the LLC's separate legal status. As a non-US resident, forming an LLC with limited liability is even more important. You're running your business from abroad, which can bring additional risks, especially if you're dealing with clients, contracts, or assets in the US. Without limited liability protection, you could find yourself personally liable for lawsuits or debts related to your business. That means your personal assets in your home country could be at risk. But with an LLC, you get that crucial protection. Let's say your LLC enters into a contract with a client and something goes wrong. Maybe there's a dispute and the client sues the business. Without limited liability, you could end up losing your personal assets to settle the debt. But if you have an LLC, only the company's assets are on the line, not your personal property. Of course, limited liability protection isn't automatic. To keep this shield intact, you need to follow a few basic rules. Keep your business and personal finances separate. Don't mix them. Maintain proper records and follow legal requirements for your LLC. Follow your state's regulations and file necessary reports on time. If you fail to do this, there's a risk the courts could pierce the corporate veil, which means losing that limited liability protection. But don't worry, LLC Express makes it easy to stay on top of all your LLC's legal requirements. At LLC Express, we make sure your LLC is set up correctly and in full compliance with US regulations. From registering your LLC to filing required paperwork, we handle everything so you can focus on growing your business while staying protected. In summary, limited liability is a powerful tool that protects your personal assets from business risks. If you're starting or running a business, especially as a non-US resident, forming a US LLC with limited liability is one of the best ways to safeguard your future. Ready to protect your assets with a US LLC? Visit LLC Express today and let us help you get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tips on growing your global business.